In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix blurry pictures in Affinity. So as you can see here, I have a blurry picture. So if I zoom in, as you can see, it's a bit blurry, and we're going to fix this right now. Now, the first thing you have to do, I'm just going to copy it so you'll be able to see the difference, but you don't have to, of course. And here you want to go to the Pixel tab up top, and then you want to hover over where it says New Live Filter Layer, and then you want to hover over Sharpen and click on High Pass. In here, it's going to allow you to create a high pass. I'm going to go ahead and slide this radius up a bit, so don't go to the very far right. It's going to look a bit weird. Just make sure you go up a bit, okay? You'll be able to change that later and do it again if it's not going to look good. I'm just going to put it at 3 over here, and I'm going to click on merge. Now, when you do this, go to normal over here, which is the blending mode. Scroll down until you can see linear light and click on it. As you can see right now, this has now taken effect, and my image is already a bit more sharp. Now, of course, it's not perfect. It's going to look better for more blurry images, but if I show you the before and after, this is the before, and now this is the after. As you can see, my image is actually quite a bit sharper. So that's the easiest way to achieve this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.